What's going on, guys? My name's David Lee, and today we're going to be talking about one way to turn your boring, amateur, average video into an instantly amazing pro video. Right after this intro sequence. So, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be talking about B-roll. One of the most important parts of putting your video together. Now, it doesn't matter if you are a filmmaker, a vlogger, or even a product reviewer. Anything can use B-roll, and B-roll will improve everything, no matter what it is. So first of all, let's start off with the definition. What is B-roll? B-roll is the extra footage that you put in your video to help you tell a story. Now, this could be anything, no matter if it's a product, if it's a place, if it's an event, if it's a thing. So let's say that you were in New York shooting a commercial for a sports team or a sports fashion. Okay, let's do that. Let's do shoes. So you're in New York recording a commercial for shoes. So you grab a shot of the street sign. What does that do for you? It helps viewers in the audience know that, oh, they might be in New York. And then you show the city shots, like you show all the buildings, you show the Empire State Building. Oh yeah, they're in New York. Or you show Times Square. Yeah, definitely in New York. That's iconic for New York. And then you have like people walking by, or you get shots of the buildings, shots of the corners. All that is B-roll. It helps you compose your story. It helps you tell the story. It helps you really bring the viewers in. B-roll is used to help the viewer understand and feel the experience of your video. See, now without B-roll, your video is gonna be boring. It's gonna be unappealing. It's gonna be bland. And you don't want that. B-roll shapes your entire video and you don't even realize it. You go around vlogging and you grab shots of your food, shots of you eating, shots of you walking. You look down at your feet and you see across the screen. That's B-roll. And if you didn't realize it before, you don't have to use that because it doesn't fit in with the story until you make it fit in. If you chose to, walking, it's already intended. People already know, oh yeah, they're definitely walking from one place to the next. But the fact that you're showing it gives them that experience. And B-roll is used to appeal to the eye. It helps bring your audience into the experience with you. And this is what makes your video so good. See, now there's several ways to tell a story. Now, you can sit there and tell a story just like this. So me and Lynn were in Philadelphia. I really wanted to fly my drone across the city and like get the aerial view of it, you know? So we went to Race Pier and I flew my drone. It was such a crazy sunset. The sky exploded. It was blue and pink and orange and all these colors. It shined across the bridge. The golden hour was beautiful. So you got that. And you didn't get to live it. You just listened to me live it. You take this and you have major FOMO. What is FOMO? FOMO is the fear of missing out. And everybody faces this. Most people face this. When you have the fear of missing out, it helps to live the experience. You want to be there. You want to see what I see. You want to feel what I feel. Now trust me, if YouTubers can make you smell or taste what they're experiencing, imagine that. Peter McKinnon takes a vlog and tells you, lick the screen. Lick it. So you lick the screen and you can taste Iceland. You can taste the food he's eating. You can taste the smoke coming out of the New York vents and the New York gutters and sewers. Imagine that. Or you could smell through the screen. Like Casey Neistat says, put your nose to the screen, and when he's burning his numbers, his paper, you can smell the ash coming through your screen. Imagine if we could do that, because I know that if YouTubers could do that, they would not stop at anything to make you smell, taste, feel, hear, and see exactly what they are. Because that's what brings in viewers. That's what B-roll does for you. You throw in the music, you throw in the shots. You bring them into, you catch their eye, you catch their ears, and you catch every sense you can catch. Because the more you appeal to it, the more they'll feel connected. There won't be a disconnect if you can appeal to their senses. Now, the second way you can tell a story, you tell it through the experience with the vlog without the B-roll. And this is what that would look like. Where are we?
Philly.
Losing drones, almost. Almost lost the drone twice. Right, baby?
It wasn't my fault.
Now I'm having Lynn land the drone.
How? How do I
I do it? I'm scared. Where is this?
It's right there. Just keep pushing down.
What is this?
Don't touch that.
I touched it.
Just keep pushing down. Pretty boring, huh? You don't get to live the experience. I went from, hey, I'm gonna fly my drone, and then, okay, I'm done flying my drone. Now that's really boring. That's major FOMO. That's more FOMO than being told the story while they're just sitting there telling you about how beautiful the sunset is. This is what B-roll can do for your video. So here's the shot with that plus the B-roll. Where are we?
Philly.
Losing drones, almost. Almost lost the drone twice. Right, baby?
It wasn't my fault.
Oh my God.
Now I'm having Lynn land the drone.
How? How do I do it? I'm scared. Where is this?
It's right there. Just keep pushing down.
What is this?
Don't touch that.
I touched it.
Just keep pushing down. Just hold it. Hold it. It'll stop. It'll stop itself. Keep holding down. Now you tell me, what was better? Me sitting down telling you, showing you the vlog clips without the B-roll, or the shots with the vlog clips and the B-roll plus the story? So I threw in the story and then I showed you the clips. Or I don't even need to tell you the story, you can imply it. You can see it for yourself. I don't even tell you how beautiful it is. I don't need to because you can see it for yourself. Also, shout out to the comment winner. Thanks for commenting. Make sure if you want to win a preset, make sure you guys comment below. Let me know what was one experience that you want everyone to feel. An experience that you want everyone to see. Something like the sunset, the beach, the sunrise, something. Just let me know in the comments below and you'll have a chance to win next Tuesday a preset or a LUT from my pack. And if you don't want that, you can have just a shout out or, you know, something like that. I'll throw in a clip of you in my next video. This is why B-roll is so important. You can never, ever, ever get enough B-roll. B-roll is extra. It's extra. You want extra. The more extras you have, the less you'll have to worry later. When you have so much extra, you'll never run out. And trust me, B-roll are quick shots. They go click, 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 cut, 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 cut. Go through B-roll so quickly. You can have 100 shots of B-roll in a minute video. That's not gonna be enough. You're gonna need so much B-roll that your memory card is full. Okay, you probably don't need that much B-roll, but you need a lot of B-roll. You can never have too much B-roll. If you're thinking to yourself, hey, maybe we could get this shot, but no, how about we get this shot instead? How about you get that shot and the other shot? Because you can never have too much. The more you shoot, the better. Because if once you go back to post-production, you go back home, you're not in that spot anymore. You don't have the same experience. It's different. You can't go back and shoot the same thing. You gotta do it. So when you're there, just do every single thing you can because it's living the experience. And when you're recording it, you want to give off that experience. What's the point of recording it if you're not going to be able to give the experience through your video? That's what the point of B-roll is for. So you guys got to make sure, implement that B-roll into your video. If you're vlogging, make sure you grab that B-roll of the area, of your food, where you're going to eat, your school exam. Pull out your camera and take a video of your exam. We can help you with the answers after you fail. But honestly, B-roll is the best thing. Whether you're doing products, you can take this product, spin it around. Like take the camera and go around this product. Just show off all of its tiny features because that helps you tell your story. And what is your story when you're reviewing a product? Well, it's the product. You're gonna show all the features of it. You can show them the buttons on the product. You can show them slots, everything. Just the product, the design, the build, the quality, you know? You put everything into it. And then you get B-roll of you making some tea or something. Anything at all. B-roll is anything. And I probably repeated this like 500 times in this video. B-roll is just extra. Anything at all. So make sure you record as much B-roll as you can or else later in the story you're not gonna have much to its show. And you're just gonna be sitting there talking, and it's gonna be kind of a boring video. Oof, I don't know how long this video has been going on. Just remember, guys, B-roll shapes your story. It helps you tell the story and grabs the attention of all your viewers, brings them into it. You give them the experience that you experienced. So the sights, the sounds, the taste if you can, the smell if you can, and you can even tell them, hey, go grab your pillow and squeeze it. This is exactly what it felt like. Just give them stuff to feel. Really let them experience the experience with you. And that's what B-roll is for, and that's why it's so important to turn. This is how you turn an alright video into a crazy video. Pretty much it for today's video. Wait there. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you shoot a comment down below and let me know what is one experience that you really wish you could just let everybody else experience in whatever way. And you'll have a chance of being the comment winner for next week. Share the video and help your peers, your friends, help them all discover why B-roll is so important to your video. And make sure you smash that subscribe button. Make sure to shoot me and follow on Instagram. And I also made a Discord channel for all of you guys who are interested in learning and engaging with the community. I wanted to make a group where people could learn from each other, and I'm also trying to recruit some higher ups, some people that are experienced photographers, filmmakers, entrepreneurs. I'm trying to bring this community together and help everybody learn. Think, learn, and create from one another. So, if you're interested in that, make sure you guys check the links out in the description and join. But you will need to make an account. Discord is a voice and a text chat, so feel free to type in the text or join a call and start engaging with the community that's already there. It's still a small group, so we're still growing, but make sure to check it out and bring all your friends with you. So, on that note, I will see you guys in the next one. Alright, catch you guys later.